Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brenda and this is my Feel Good Journey. So I just wanted to thank everybody for watching, and I hope if you like my videos you guys would join my little family and subscribe to my channel, and I would absolutely love that. So today is an exciting video for me because it's actually my very first request video that I am answering to, and I'm super excited about it. So I hope I do a good job, but I promise if I don't, I'll get better with them as they come along. So today somebody requested to do a wear and tear on my Gucci backpack, which I'm kind of glad you did, because you know what, I was actually just thinking like how good this little bag has held up for me. It has like really been through a lot with me, and it still looks almost brand new. I'm not even kidding, guys. I'm not even just trying to sell it to you, but it really has. Nothing has happened to this bag. I have worn it through rain, through snow. It actually snowed here the other day, just a little bit, but it did snow, and I was wearing this bag, and through the hot summertime. So I got this bag like 8 months ago, and I have worn it pretty frequently because it's just such a handy bag. I don't own very many small bags, so all my bags are either huge or medium. So if I'm just gonna run a quick errand, this is my little go-to bag, because it's honestly the smallest bag that I have, the only small bag that I have, so I use it quite a bit. So here we go. So as you can see, nothing has faded on the bag. Like they have not smeared, I'm sorry. It has not faded. Nothing has happened to it. I was kind of afraid because it's like a printed logo that it would, you know, just not be there anymore, but absolutely not. It has held up really good. It's still as bright as the first day that I got it. And look at the actual leather. The leather is kind of like, you know, kind of basketballish, if you know what I'm saying. It looks like a little basketball. Oops, sorry. But I hope that wasn't too loud in your ears, but I forgot there was something in here. So anyways, as you could see, nothing has happened to this bag. It's 8 months old, and you know what? I've worn it almost every day, quite a bit, you know. I haven't been too careful with it because, you know, it's not that I haven't been careful with it and I'm just careless with it, but I'm not like, oh my god, I hope nothing happens to it. You know what I mean? You know, it just there. So you could see the brightness is still there. It's still a beautiful color. So the zipper still works amazing. Like I have had bags that the zipper gets stuck after a while, or that I have a hard time opening and closing, but not this one. This one is like super handy. So even if you wear it as a belt bag, you could just open it real quick and then shut it off real quick. So the way I wear it is as a little purse. I just like love it like this because it's so handy for me. I just pick it up and then I'm on my way. So it looks really cute, especially like the red and green, the, you know, the little Gucci colors. I love these colors, and they're still bright on the actual belt as well. So here you go. Even the brass on these little handles are absolutely amazing. It has not scratched at all. I hope it's like adjusting, but if you could see, it still looks pretty new, like not one scratch on it. Again, I'm not like 100% careful with it, and it's just nothing has happened to this bag. The plastic buckle still works. I was a little hesitant of the buckle because, again, the zippers and the buckles I do have issues with other bags that I've owned, but not with this one. Open and close it just as easy as when it came in. It's easy to open, it's easy to close, even 8 months later, but it's still secure. So it's a really good, you know, plastic buckle, and I absolutely love it. So here you go. It's easy. It's not hard to work with. Hold on, if I figure it out. Sorry. So, you know, it's easy to work with, and you could adjust it to whatever you want. So, you know, of course, if you wear it as a belt bag, I'll get up and hopefully you could see it. I'm not gonna match, I'll let you know right now, but see if you could, you just wear it like this. Okay, I've got it a little too small, so it's gonna look a little weird, but see how it looks as a belt bag, and easy to open, easy to close. It's super, super cute. I really love this bag. I know I don't match, but I kind of just wanted to show it you guys how it looks on, especially the pink. The pink just pops out so much. I know, you know, sometimes in the beginning I was kind of like, I should have got either the white or the black, but I'm really happy with the pink. It's like super cute. I like it, really grew on me. If I don't wear this bag, my 10-year-old actually wears it, and it's still in really good shape. And you know how 10-year-olds are. She is a careful 10-year-old, but at the same time she is a 10-year-old, and nothing has happened to this bag. Again, this is 8 months into wearing this bag almost daily. So yes, I definitely recommend it. Even 8 months later, it's super, super cute. The wear and tear on it is fantastic. So if anything changes on this bag, like if tomorrow it like falls apart or something, I'll definitely do a video on that and let you know, you know what, it fell apart. So, but for now, again, wearing it like almost every day. This is my everyday to go to bag, and it has worked for me like quite a bit, for me and my daughter, because we share a lot of, like, you know, cute trendy stuff like that. I do share with her, and because she is a careful 10-year-old, but again, she's still a 10-year-old, and it still has held up pretty good. So I definitely recommend it. The leather on it is so like, it's like perfect. Look at this, look at it. It's just like, it's so soft but yet like tough, you know what I'm saying? Again, like a basketball. And then the inside, the only thing with the inside that I will have to let you know, it is like a plastic material, plastic cotton material. I don't know what it's called, but it does get dirty. So if you just put like an open pen in there, it's gonna get dirty. So if you put just a lipstick with no top on it, it's definitely gonna get dirty. So just be careful with that. I would still like really just make sure like my lipsticks and, you know, my makeup that I do put in here, or even your compact, that it's not dirty, and that way it, you know, your bag doesn't get dirty, so it could still look cute and fresh, you know what I mean? So again, what fits in here, this is my phone. Okay, so I usually have one lipstick. I do wear contacts, so I do have, like, you know, the little clear eyes. I do wear that, you know, quite often, especially like at night when I go on dates. And then I have a little pouch that, of course, it's in my car, but it's kind of like that thick, that small, you know, those little wallet pouches. It fits here perfectly with my phone, with my lipstick, with this. So it is pretty roomy. And remember, this is the smaller size. There's still a bigger size that is absolutely cute as well. They come with the same colors, so you could either get it this size. This size was actually $780, and it's still $780 today if you want to buy it. And the bigger one, which is quite a bit bigger, it's $1,250, and it's still $1,250. I mean, yeah, $1,250 today. I just looked it up. So yes, so I definitely recommend it. And again, I really hope you guys enjoy my channel. If you guys would, I would love it if you guys would subscribe, or if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below, and I'll answer you as soon as possible. That way you guys could get on with buying your stuff if you guys are interested in it. So please feel free to ask me any questions. And again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.